An experiment in pharmacology laboratory is being conducted in which a subject is treated with a non-competitive antagonist to the histamine receptor. Which of the correct statement describes this agent? A. The drug irreversibly binds to the histamine receptor and renders it ineffective. B. The drug binds to the receptor, but not where histamine binds, and prevents the receptor from being activated. C. The drug binds to the histamine receptor and partially activates it. D. The drug binds to the histamine receptor but does not activate it. Let's see this picture as the explanation. Competitive inhibitors are molecules which are very similar to the enzyme's natural substrate, and thus compete for the active site. As a result, the inhibitor binds to the active site and remains there, preventing further reactions. The enzyme may react with the inhibitor and release the products as it would usually do to its substrate. Thus the inhibitor and substrate compete for the active site. Non-competitive inhibitors bind to an allosteric site of the enzyme, a site on the enzyme which is not the active one. This results in a conformational change of the protein, distorting the active site, and thus is unable to bind the substrate. So long as the non-competitive inhibitor is bound, the enzyme remains inactive. In other words, a non-competitive antagonist binds to the receptor at a site other than the agonist binding site, and renders it less effective by preventing agonist binding or preventing activation. So, what is your best answer? Yes, you are right. The best answer is B. The drug binds to the receptor, but not where histamine binds, and prevents the receptor from being activated.
Yeah!